Hello friends, welcome to our channel msczoology Notes. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. Today we are covering two topics: sound producing organ in fishes and olfactory organ in fish. So first topic is sound producing organ in fishes. Fish often use a specialized structure called the swim bladder to produce sounds. The swim bladder primarily can also function as a resonating chamber for sound production in some fish species. Sound is probably the most effective channel for long range communication underwater. A number of bony fishes are known to produce characteristic sounds with the help of certain specialized organs. Sound may be produced by means of stridulating organ or the air bladder. The first sound producing organ is stridulating organs. Stridulatory sounds are produced by friction of teeth, spines, or bones. Many teleosts are known to produce sounds by means of stridulation. Fisher possess opposing patches of denticles in the pharynx and are at least potential capable of sound production during feeding. Almost all predatory species of fish are likely to produce sounds when feeding. Animals can emit sound when crushing rocks and corals. Stridulation by the movement of special fin rays and spines has also been seen in few fishes. The erection of specialized dorsal fin spines in trigger fish produces a stridulation, and it is possible that low intensity sounds may be produced. Some sounds produced by the friction of adjacent bones were reported in the clownfish and seahorses. Salmon produce sounds by rubbing the pectoral fins against the body sides. The second sound producing organ is air bladder. Air bladder in many teleosts is used to producing characteristic sounds by vibration of its wall with the help of special muscles. In many coeloids, there is an elastic spring mechanism to vibrate the wall of air bladder. The bladder on is a gas-filled organ located in the abdominal cavity of most fish, and it serves several important functions, adding in and producing sounds. In some fish species, such as catfish and croakers, the swim bladder is specially adapted to produce sound by vibrating rapidly. This is accomplished by the contraction of muscles attached to the swim bladder, which causes to vibrate and produce sounds pairs that can be used for communication or echolocation. The swim bladder or air bladder is the most common sound producing organ in fish. Here is a picture of a swim bladder and a pectoral fins of fishes. The majority of sound produced by fishes are the frequency, typically lesser than 1000 Hz. Frequency of sound producing by stridulation ranges from 100 to 800 Hz, while peniment frequency may are generally between 1000 and 4000 Hz. The hydrodynamic sound production occurs when a fish quickly changes direction and velocity. These sounds are of extremely low frequency and are simply byproduct of swimming. It is possible that hydrodynamic sounds may be important to predator and prey interactions and communications. The example of hydrodynamic sound, it has been postulated that sharks can detect the low frequency hydrodynamic sounds emitted by smaller fishes. Our Our second topic is olfactory organs. Fish typically have paired olfactory organs called olfactory rosettes located on either sides of their head. These rosettes can sensory cells responsible for detecting odors in the water, helping fish navigate, find food, and detect potential threats. The olfactory are made up of folds of tissues that contain the olfactory receptor cells. These are stimulated by chemicals in the water, which allows fish to detect scents and identify food predators and potential mates. Fish have a highly developed sense of smell, and their olfactory rosettes can detect extremely low concentration of certain chemicals. This sense of smell is especially important for migratory fishes, which use it to navigate and find their way back to their breeding grounds. It is also used in reproductive behavior of many fish species. The olfactory receptor in fishes are located in pits on the snout anterior to the eye. These olfactory pits have both an incurrent and excurrent. Iris means opening. The changes in the olfactory functions can placed into three categories. First is anosmia, the anosmia, hyposomia, and diosomia. Is a picture of olfactory organs of zebra fishes, how it is works. So thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe for more updates.